Bible speaks of Israel. They made a country Israel and calling themselves Israelis. I am going to read from the Bible how this word Israel came into existence. Jacob is fighting with God. When the man saw that he was not winning the struggle, he struck Jacob on the hip and it was thrown out of the joint. The man said, "Let me go. The daylight is coming. I won't unless you bless me." Jacob answered. So the man said, "What is your name?" He said, "My name is Jacob." Then the man said, "Your name will be no longer Jacob. You have struggled with God and with men and you have won always. So your name will be Israel." This is how the Israel title is given to Jacob in the Bible. This is how Israel came, and from Jacob's sons, so they become children of Israel. What the Quran says about Israel? Allah gave the book to Musa, peace be upon him, and he made that book a guidance for the children of Israel. Who are the children of Israel? Next I says, from Noah's ark, children of Israel are the offsprings whom we carried in the Noah's ark.